In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger to set up and manage your website with ease. Hostinger is a well-known platform that offers a range of services for managing your online presence, and today we're going to dive into the essential steps to get started. First, let's begin by going to the Hostinger homepage. Open up your web browser and head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the main gateway to everything Hostinger has to offer, from website management to support and beyond. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you have quick access whenever you need it. Once you're here, if you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your account credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. But don't worry, the process is straightforward, and we'll have you set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you can manage all your activities and services through Hostinger. It'll display important information and notifications about your websites and hosting services. To move forward, locate the Websites tab, which is part of your dashboard navigation. Click on it and you'll be directed to a more specific page showing all the websites linked to your account. This area is the heart of your website management, providing an overview of your active sites and options for adjustments and new installations. Next, it's time to select the website you want to work on. You'll see a list of your existing websites or an option to start a new one if you're setting up for the first time. Click on the website name or any indication of it from your dashboard to dive deeper into website-specific settings. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you have all the tools you need at your fingertips without being overwhelmed. Now, let's add a new website. On the same page where you found your websites, there will be a button titled Add Website. Clicking this will guide you through the necessary steps to set up another website under your account. It's helpful if you're expanding your online presence or managing multiple projects. Follow the prompts that Hostinger provides. They're tailored to gather all the essential details they need to get your new website live, such as a domain name and any initial content you'd like to include. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've taken the essential actions to manage or add a website using Hostinger. Its interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to find what you're looking for and take control of your hosting and website building needs. Remember, Hostinger also offers various support options if you have questions or need further assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both informative and useful in getting the most out of Hostinger.